115.
115, so let's see. Okay, 35, you're gonna set these equal to each other, so.
Hey, what about 34?
Will you guys do that side? It's the same way we've been doing it all school year. Yes, huh? Every day. You guys, I do one side, you do the other side. We've done it all year. Okay, 35. We're gonna set those equal to each other, so you're gonna subtract 10 on both sides, and then divide by 10. Okay, so we get 10x equals 110, and then you're gonna divide by 10, and that's gonna give you 11, which is A. Okay, 37. You're gonna set them equal to each other. Okay, so 4x plus 3 equals 87. Okay, 87 minus 3? 84. And then divide by 4. What is 84 divided by 4? 21. So B. Okay, 39. Okay, so a reflection, so first of all, it needs to reflect across the x equals 1 line. Okay, so it should reflect here. Okay, so what I can tell you is that the W stays in the W spot. Okay, and so it's kind of a matter of looking through the pictures, what W stayed in the W spot? On which one? A, B, C, or D? A, and that's the only one. Now, if there was more than that, then you're gonna have to look for more than that, okay? But in this one, only A stayed in the W spot, okay? So you would count from X to the red line or Y to the red line or whatever, but only A stayed in that spot. Okay, 41, we need something to move to the right 2 units and down 1 unit. Which one moved to the right 2 units and down 1 unit? B? I would agree, B. Okay, all the other ones moved down way too far. Okay, 43. Which one moved down 1 and left 1? Which one moved down 1 and left 1? A? I would agree. Okay, although D looks like it did not technically move down. Okay, so down 1, left 1. Okay, 45, again, if you were crunched for time or whatever, then this would be one I would guess on or something. Okay, is it gonna be bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger? Smaller?
It's like more than one, or like bigger than one.
Okay, well, let's look at it. Okay, so S, we just have to start finding the coordinates. Okay, so this is gonna be -1, 2. Okay, 2, -1, and -1, -2. Okay, so let's see what happens when we start to multiply them. Okay, what is 1.5 times -1? It's -1.5. Okay, so did that get bigger or smaller than the original?
Bigger.
It got bigger. Okay, so which ones can we definitely cross off?
A and B.
A and B, they got smaller, so we know that it's not that. Okay, and then we got 2 times 1.5. What is 2 times 1.5? 3. Okay, and so we can kind of look at these pictures, which one is at negative 1.5 and 3? Because we know it's not A and B, so you can look at C and D. Which one is, what did I say? Negative 1.5 and 3. Yeah, it's gotta be C. C is the only one at 3. 1, 2, 3, okay? S is all the way at 5, so that's not gonna work. Okay, 47. Okay, you're just gonna say 180 minus 35, 135 minus 20. What is that? 180 minus 135 minus 20. 25? So D. Okay, 49, we can combine the inside, so, we're gonna get 3x plus, what is 9 plus 90 plus 45? 9 plus 90 plus 45. Huh?
54.
54? 54 equals 180. Okay, then I'm gonna subtract 54 from both sides, so what is 180 minus 54?
126.
126. And then divide by 3. What is 126 divided by 3?
42.
Huh?
42.
42?
Divided by 3, you said.
I did say, so something's wrong.
She didn't add the 90.
She didn't add the 90? Oh, on this one?
No.
Okay, so what is 9 plus 45 plus 90? Let's go. We can't rely on 2 students to type. It's not gonna work out. 144? So this should be minus 144. What is 180 minus 144? 36?
36.
Divided by 3 is gonna be 12, so D. Okay, and that's exactly what you should do. If you get something and it's not on your thing, then we know it's not right. If there's not an A, B, C, or D, okay, we know something's wrong, okay? 51, we can combine the x's. Okay, so 23 plus 3 is gonna be 26x. 2 plus 2 plus 20 is gonna be 24, equals 180. Okay, so we're gonna say 180 minus 24. What is 180 minus 24?
156.
Okay. Divided by 26. What is 156 divided by 26? 6?
Yeah, 6.
Okay. So we know that the x equals 6, and then it says plug it back in for a. So it's gonna look like 3 times 6 plus 2, which is 20. So D. Okay, 53, it says NLM matches up to what? Okay, I can tell you, what is wrong with all of the interruptions except for one?
The fact that they are too small, to have less letters.
Yeah, so if they gave us 3 letters in a question, how many letters should you have in the answer?
3.
3. Okay, so B, it's gotta be B. Okay, there's no way around it. Okay, but it is a matter of matching up, things from there. Okay, DB matches up to what? Okay, we know we can, A is not gonna work, okay, for sure, A is not gonna work.
RB.
Okay, DB matches up to what?
RB.
RB, somebody agree? D matches up to R, B matches up to B, yeah, so I'm going with RB, so D. Okay, 57, N matches up to what? U, which is C. Okay, 59. Okay, these ones you're really gonna have to look close at each picture, okay? There's no way around it, you just gotta look close at each picture. So I should have how many rainbows? One on each. So if we look at A, does this one work? No, we got a rainbow 1 and a rainbow 3, so we know that's not gonna work. What about B? No. Okay, C? No. Okay, so it's gotta be D. However, if both of them said I, that rainbow 1 on a couple, then check rainbow 2, then check rainbow 3, and then check this, start checking the sides. So check the least amount you can on each until something gets all the way eliminated to 1. Okay, and last one, 61. Okay, the first triangle should be what? Where should it start? F, G, E. Okay, and so immediately everything kind of gets eliminated. Okay, F, T, U. Okay, so it's got to be D.